Coming up on this vlog.
This bin I'll use it in my classroom because ibin yabantwana ingemva komnyango. Listen guys, welcome to another day of this vlog. I'm from Amanda Nkomo, a makeup artist, and she did this amazing job on my face. And unfortunately I forgot to vlog for you So this is a synthetic wig. It's a synthetic wig from my sister. Usesam umncane nasibona kamamama uyathengisa uthengisa ihluthwezi zihle nizozibona zihle orine lapha ku TikTok lonto bekubongwe. That's where I managed to vlog everything like inhluthu lezi but I'll also put in at the end of this vlog. I'll also put in that video like and this is day 3. This is day 3 of me wearing this wig, and in the installation in a 3 days installation Rose. I once plugged you guys in number Rose, and I once plugged you guys in number Amanda Nkomo. Well, it's synthetic hair guys, but this one I call that bad ku TikTok or lezi engibone ngazo ukuthi engibone zo lezi engizibone ku TikTok. Guys, I'm so tired. Lezi engizibone ku TikTok. So yeah, ngiyemshadweni ucolleague yami, and I'm getting ready. Sengihlambile already. Sengihlambile, and then I'll just call my brother anghelebhe ukumbatha. I'm going to wear a dress by Ukoni Chauke from Mamelodi. She's my tailor. If angithungela ngubutam guys, if angithungela ngubutam my brother, umnakwethu ngithungelwa nguyeke ugel Ukoni. So my brother was busy. Actually iroko leli ngalithungisa December last year. Nomtshade bekose ngiyiwo ku family friend, and then I got sick azangisakhona ukuthi ngiyo attend. So namhlanje ngizophinda iroko lelo. Likely itheme yomtshado namhlanje yi green with touch of nude. So yeah, neroko lami green. So guys, yeah, King is Lungise Msinyana. I'm definitely taking you guys with me to Emchadweni. I hope you still enjoy this vlog. Please do not forget to like, to subscribe, and also to comment, to also share, and also go to Facebook, go to Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok. Follow me. Yeah. So I'm a vlogger maningi guys. Ngiwaposta ngalo TikTok. TikTok is a lot easier. It's a lot easier. Okay, angeke ngithi my vlog. Akusi my vlog. It's just my video nje. Akusi my vlog ukuthi get ready with me. Na. I just post nje umsebenzi wami and anything and everything ngibona ngathi ngingayiposta. But you guys, I like it because you get to see more details or more detailed videos of what I do. Mhlambi. Enye ngine challenge ye network. Yazi nangisekhaya ngine challenge network. Ngine challenge network, so yeah, ngibona ngingaposti kangaka and I got busy. ikosi Thabile sihlalela ukuphothela shem. I know what I promised to be consistent, but doing ngiyafela guys, ngiyafela. But I hope ukuthi I'll do that when I get back to my new place, because lapho network ayingithwenyi. I have a lot of videos or a lot of content to post. Ikinga inetwork nangla ekhaya. But ke let me get ready. Let me get ready. Sikhambeni. Ngisandithanda nobukhazi, but that's makeup. And nje isikhathi nje 12:30 ne ngiyenze ngo7 ucede ngo8 ngo7 kuseni cause beka nomchato beka uyokwenza umakoti. But this makeup look ayikathini guys, nje ngo 12:30 never. And bengilele ngithini cause ngikuseni phela ngibuya I took a nap that is so shame. Okay guys, today shoes are from the Fees. Yeah, earrings. I'll show you my earrings. Just damn it, I need to think it's comfortable. Earrings. Earrings are from Shein, and then this neck piece is also from Shein, and then the dress I already told you about the dress. No, unfortunately guys, I'm going to but it's a long dress, and the ninja will give me 360. This is how I look. The bag I'll carry the bag and the key. So I'm already late guys. I've phoned the right you. Bafigile. Laba abanye ama colleagues wami. So bonani emshadweni. Sikhabe zokushadisa.
Bangilelo ukuthi mdembuzi.
Atinga makoti kitinako atinga makoti wahalala atinga makoti kitinako atinga makoti wahalala
babonana ngamagama akhona Yvonne Zomshayi
Nsebat.
Yini vithi?
Yes, i-vlog.
Nangikwazi ukushuthana yazi.
I-vlog e-YouTube. I think nangiceda la video kusini subscribe no ke so.
Siyabonga kakhulu siyabonga ukuthi umthanda ubhuti wethu. Ubaba wasesiphendulwe. Siyabonga kakhulu singama colleagues. Sithi uNkulunkulu anibusiseni. The word of God lapha ku Proverbs ithi Proverbs 31 ithi umama uhlakaniphile uyalakha ikhaya lakhe. Sesi uhlakaniphile okhethe.
Thank you so much, guys, for staying till this far. For those who don't know me, Kamlam Nigunontobeko Bongwe, and I go by the name of Unontobonge or Nontobeko Bongwe in all my social media platforms. Please, 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 please do follow me on Instagram and Facebook. TikTok, TikTok is a good TikTok. Slapagu 104K. But Instagram and Facebook is not doing that well. Please do go and follow me on those platforms. So guys, ngibuya emall. I needed a few things. Being pelilwe skincare. I needed few items. 8 leaks nase Pep Home. Also went to Mr. Price and Legit. Nagupi. Now guys, oh, nentolo zamateki. I need new sneakers. It's very cold, so I need new sneakers. I need more sneakers and boots. I'm a tracksuit and I'm a coat. But yeah, today it's just when you check so like when you check what you know conentolo. Bese yeah, pay things we ain't gonna let me stop blabbering. Let's see, Pep Home to Lynn. This bin, I'll use it in my classroom because ibin yabantwana ingemva komnyango, and I also need ibin next to me for nankatha amaphepha nangenzani. So indaba yama up and down, no. So this bin is classroom. Okay, also bought ama-plastic lawa nazipha isichebo ngithanda ukusihlukanisa ngisifake ema-plasticini la for ukuthi nangikhiphayo mhlawumbe ngingakhiphi isichebo soke thola ukuthi ngifuna amaphisi ayi-2. So yeah, this, and then the ice tray nesivalo. Oh, bless me. And then this towel holder, the towel holders for imfaduku, nama glove is in cleaning. A grater, tin opener. This is a cheese slicer, but ngithengela ukuthi iyasika nokusika la. And iyakhona nokuthi ukhengayo amaphethi na fryer amaphethi or anything ezokufuna ukugugwa so ipanini. I don't know if that makes sense. And then iskirpoto. Yeah, that's all from Pep Home. And then Complex, the toilet roll block, body wash. Ngisho siyayazi indaba yeTlex ukuthi iTlex ithenga i3 for 2 or 2 for 3. So my body wash so big. Azange ngiwasebenzise la. And my nana is so sensitive, so I'm not sure if azongiphatha kuhle njani. ngizogeza ngayo, ngizohlamba ngayo namhlanje namama and see ukuthi ngiphatha kuhle. If ngiphatha kuhle, I'll let you know, or if ngiphatha kumbi, I'll come back with reviews. So babe, toner. Oh, I use this toner, Eclipse brand. Also bought brand Himalaya. Himalaya, or I'm not sure if I'm pronouncing it correct, but nakhona bekuyi 3 for 2. So I bought this serums and a dark spot clearing turmeric cream. Now this one is vitamin C serum, this one is dark spot. And then yeah, this is my skincare range, guys. This is what I use for my skin. And I had a breakout last week and my skin was doing so well. So sengibonile la ngihlala khona iyangithanda indawo le. Kwandebele ngithanda, yes. But yeah, also bought Epimax. Nakhona 2.3. Yabona? Okay. Lo itwin black. I needed this round one for straight na ni hair dryer. And then bese ngathenga ni activated charcoal for digestive aid and alleviates gas and bloating. But angisho sayazi ukuthi ilo activate. I'm tired, guys. Neskua itatele skua depleted. Activated charcoal. Activated charcoal, guys. Ngiyaloka now sele mhlambe if something poisonous or something engazwani ne digestive. Engazwani nende nakho, guys. I think we must stick to our village. I'm tired. Bengiphothela, guys. So 2 days late. Today is Sunday, by the way. So 2 days late, 2 nights late. Bengalali. I think ngikhombise ningagobe ngenzawo, guys. Ningagobe engenzawo ne. Ngithume Friday. Yabona? Ngithume Friday. Kusuphele before the end of this month. But yeah. I just wanna unpack and then take a nap. Oh, I just wanna unpack and then and also went to
caramel ice latte, vanilla.
Okay, ngicela i-iced latte caramel.
Ice latte.
I-caramel. Yes. Thank you. Amafesitiri ngikona babathatha amafoni kuma drive through nakuma was driving home yesterday. Thank you so much.
Tired of dealing with your old, slow or cracked phone? It's time for an upgrade. Smart Select has your next Samsung device at the best.